Welcome to Learn Playwright in 30 days. Congratulations! If you have followed this scenario from the beginning, you have already learned the core skill needed to build a professional playwright automation. Today we'll review everything we have covered and explain how each topic fits into real automation project. Introduction. We have the introduction for the playwright. Setup. We introduce the install Node.js, install playwright, and install Visual Studio Code. Locator. Playwright use Locator find web element. Assertion. Playwright can do a session for the web element such as the text, URL, title, page title. Actions. Playwright find web elements, use the locator find web elements, then can do action such as click button and text in the text area. Data-driven test. Playwright use data set, run the same test, use different condition. Screenshot. Playwright have a take screenshot feature, so after test fail, can take screenshot so we can know which step, which script fail. Also, we can compare screenshot before the code check-in and after code check-in. So that is we call the visual regression test. Debugging. Playwright have many tools for debugging. Console log, trace view, inspect. Also, Playwright can do API testing. Playwright with X do the accessibility testing. Visual testing use the screenshot do the visual screenshot test. Performance. Playwright can do performance test for web elements, web page. Doc. Playwright test can run in a doc. Then we introduce the Playwright automation framework. Module 1, Foundation. Install Playwright, project structure. First test, run test. Module 2, Locator. Here is the list of locates. First one is get by row. Like get by row is button, then have a name something and click. Get by text, get by label, CSS, XPath. Assertions. Await, expect the page have the title. Expect the locator to be visible. Await, expect locator to contain text welcome. Module 4, data-driven test. Use JSON, use the CSV file, use environmental variables. Loop the data set, use the same code, run different data set. API testing. Playwright have the request.get. This is a get method. Request.post, post method. Request.delete, delete method. Module 6, Debugging. Inspect, trace view, Visual Studio Code debug, screenshots, video recording. Then we introduce how to build the Playwright test project. So this is the example for the project. Under project folder, we have after install, we have like a Node.js module here, and also the package JSON file, Playwright config file. Then we have add some test data in this folder. Also create a subfolder test, add test here. So for example, for the red test we introduce, first line is import test, expect from the Playwright test. After install, you can put this first line, we call the head, use this import. Every screen like the script need to put this first line. Then we introduce the test describe block. So in this block we can have many different tests. This is we call the beforeEach. So test beforeEach. That means is beforeEach test. Do this one. For the test, like we first need the Playwright get the Locator, find the web elements, then can do something. So for this one is use Locator get by row. This is the button. Name is the button 4. Then click. You see here is a click. And also have the expect. Expect page get by row this button 4 to be visible. So this is for the red test. So every test is like this one. If you want to see our first test and login step or something, and this is for the data-driven test. How can you run a test after install Visual Studio Code? You need to install Playwright Runner from the extension. After that one, you can run from here. You can see here. If I click this, is run, is just for this script run. If I want to run all the tests in the test folder, so I can run this one. And also you can run from here. So right click, you can see here is debugging. Debugging is open browser. If you run no debugging, just back and run. So you cannot see the process, but you can know the test pass or fail. And also you can see it run at the cursor. So my cursor is here, so just run this test, not other test. And here you see cursor debugging, so debug. So that one is run different. For you can see the web browser. Also, you can from here you have the terminal, so you can run from terminal. You can type the npx Playwright test run or like the -- debug. And I will show another project. We introduce the framework. So general framework is like this is a project name. After project folder, we need to create a subfolder like this is a page. Put a page file in this one. Another is a test data folder, subfolder, and also test. So this is just test one, and then and utility API help, screenshot help. This is after install have this one. So this is a general framework. Use this is use the page object model. I will include all of our topic in this video. So here is a playlist for all of the topics we have covered. So you can follow the step-by-step learn each of the video. I will post this in the introduction. By now, you can build professional automation projects using Playwright. Whether you are prepared for your first QA role or expand your automation skills, consistent practice is the key to master. Thank you for learning with me over these 30 days. I look forward to building the next scenario together. See you next time.